Step 1 is to make the cuts. So before we go any further, let's take a look at the asking price for this one. The minimum is $65 and it goes up to $190. And this is why I think you can't go wrong with the sizes, and I'm showing you various ways you can have this staged. These photos are from customers who've already purchased it and have it in their homes. So good luck if you're going to build one of these to sell. I know I'll be making a bunch of these, especially for the fall season. If you've seen my previous week's videos, you will notice that I have been sharing videos of making small projects using a fence picket, and that's what it is going to be for this whole month. I'll share various small projects that you can do with just one fence picket in most cases. And as I will normally do, I'll put the dimensions on the screen for what I used, but you can use whatever dimensions fit your own needs. Step 2 is assembly. Hello and welcome to the channel if this is your first time. If it's not your first time, then welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions or comments for me, please leave them in the comment. Step 3 is sanding. Step 4 is making and attaching the handles. For the handles, I'm using a couple of old drawer handles that I'll drill holes into to make it look like a farmhouse. Primitive but chic handles. The handles can be installed on the outside or on the top. For this one, I am choosing to install them at the top. I pre-drilled the holes for the screws, and then I used 1.25 inch screws to fasten the handles onto the board there. And then we're pretty much done. Thank you for watching the video this far. If you like this video, you might like one of the other videos that are showing up on your screen. As always, I hope you will have a tangible experience of God's love today. Stay blessed.